Hello guys, so today we will learn how to create a table in a database. First we will see the structure of the table. After that we will go in the SSMS, that is SQL Server Management Studio, where we will see that how a table is created and the record are inserted. So let us start the journey. So for creating a table in a SQL Server, we have to write the query create table, and we can give any name, create table, table name, and we have to specify the which are the column we want to create, their data type and their sizes. So there are certain rule for writing the table name. So we will go through it now. So these are the four rules. So these are the five rule which I have to consider while creating a table. The table name should always be start with the capital. I mean, it is not necessary, but it look good. So most of the company and other professional follow it. And name should start with the spaces and special symbol. Uh, it can have 128 character at maximum, and the table can have maximum to maximum 1024 column, but rows can be unlimited. So any table name starting with the numerical is invalid. Customer name having table name having that special symbol is also invalid. But since underscore is valid, so we can write cust underscore 123. So this is a valid table name. So to create a table, So we these are the syntax for creating a table employee, that is having the employee ID, employee name, salary, and department name. Employee ID must be in integer form, like his employee ID is 1 or 10, 20. Employee name should be the name of the employee. Salary should be in the money because it is related to the money related stuff, and department name should also can be anything. I mean, he worked for a sale, he worked for managerial round or managerial position, or he work in a assistant manager, that kind of thing. So let us start how to insert. So the if we run the this above query, create table emp, so it will create a table in database. How to insert the data? Insert into, and we will what we want. Suppose we want that employee ID should be 10, employee name should be Ram, and salary should be 5,000. Department name should be HR department. So if I execute this query, so it will create a table and insert one row in it. Suppose we want to insert multiple row, then we can use we will write the comma, and we can insert as many row as we want. So now we will go to the SSMS, that is SQL Server Management Studio, to see the practical of the things that we have discussed now. First we will go to the database here, and we can create a new database by right clicking it, and in the new database we can write the name of that. We can write any name. So a new database is created. After that, again right click, we have to go to new query. Now we will execute that command we have studied in our. So what we will do, we will drag it from starting to end, and we will execute it. So see, you can see here it is written command completed successfully. So we want to see that is the table is created, so we can write select star from employee. See, since we haven't stored any data in it, so it is just giving us the structure that there is table with the name employee, which is having the column employee ID, employee name, salary, and department name. Now we go through how to insert the row in it or data in it. So insert into employee values. So we will write employee ID 10, Ram, salary 5000, and he work for HR department. We want to store multiple rows, so we will write comma and we will write how many rows we want to write. Syam, his salary is 6000 and he worked for IT department. So again we will drag it from start to the length and press the execute. Yeah. So to see the table structure we can write sp underscore help and table name. See, all the three rows are inserted. Now we want to see the structure of our table, so we will write sp underscore help in table name, that is employee. So sp means store procedure, that is a inbuilt store procedure. In the upcoming video we will know how to create a procedure by our own. See, here it is giving us the name of the table is employee, the owner is dbo, and created date and time when we have created this. What are the column names are present? Employee id, employee name, salary, d name. What are the type of data type we have used? Integer, varchar, money, char. So suppose we want to drop the table, we are no longer using this table, so we don't want to use this table no again, so we can use drop table or we can use truncate table. If you want this, no, I want the take the structure of this table, I just want to remove the data in it, so we will use truncate table employee, so it will release all the data present in the table. Now again we will go and see what it is coming. See, there's no value in it. If I use drop table employee, so it will delete the structure also, not only the data, it delete everything. Again we will go and check what is coming. See, invalid object name employee. I mean now there is no table which have having the name employee in the database practice 65 which we have created. See, no table is there. So in the upcoming lecture we will go through it, that how to insert the table, how to insert the null, how to insert the multiple rows with the alter command, how to insert with the drop command, how to truncate the table, how to apply group by, how to apply case statement. Thanks for watching.